Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to fix a Snapchat. Something went wrong, please try again. So guys, if you want to open anything on Snapchat and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this here you need to find app management, click on it, and after this click on app list. And guys after this here you need to find Snapchat or search here Snapchat. So guys I am searching here you can see Snapchat. Simply you need to click on it, and after this guys you need to click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and the second method is you need to update your app from Play Store. So guys open your Play Store, and guys after this here you need to search Snapchat, and guys after this you need to click on Snapchat, and here is the option of update. So guys simply you need to update your Snapchat from here, and guys after updating your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not fix your problem and having this issue still, then guys you need to open your settings again, and guys scroll down, click on system, and click on reset phone, and guys click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys here you need to select same one, click on reset, and select same two, click on reset. And guys after resetting network setting, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open anything on Snapchat. So guys if still not fixed your problem and still having this issue, something went wrong, then guys you need to uninstall your Snapchat app. And guys after uninstalling you need to reinstall again from your Play Store, and guys after reinstalling you need to log in your account again on Snapchat, and guys after logging in again then your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.